In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to professionally fix a pocket to the front of your pant or trouser. It is very simple, detailed, and beginner friendly. So if you're interested, please watch this video till the end. And if this is your first time on this channel, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also drop a comment. After drafting your pan to this point, the next thing to do is to mark the pocket opening. So for the pocket opening, I went in by 2 inch on the waistline plus 1 inch, which is my side seam allowance, that is 3 inch. So whatever your side seam allowance is, go ahead to add 2 inch extra for the pocket opening. Then on the side, you come down by 6 inch like this. After marking this, go ahead to connect the side to the waist with either a straight line or a curve. It depends on the shape you want on the pocket opening. You can connect with a straight line or you go ahead to connect with a curve. So basically this is going to be for the pocket opening. The next thing I'm going to go ahead to do now is to cut out my pants, but when cutting I will not be cutting out the pocket opening I marked. So just watch what I'm doing to know the part to cut out after marking your pocket opening. Tutorial on how to make this pants is on the channel. You can go ahead to check it out if you want to see how I make this pants from start to finish. After cutting out the pants, the next thing you go ahead to do is cut out the piece of fabric that we'll be using for the pocket. And here I have this piece of fabric, and the fabric is in a fold. And the width of the fabric is 9 inch. When you open it up, you're going to be having 18 inch, but on a fold, you're going to be having 9 inch. And the length of the pocket I'm making is going to be 11 inch. So I'll just fold this fabric into two because I'll be using this to cut out pocket for both sides. We're going to be cutting out two pockets. So after that, I'll just go ahead to divide the pocket like you see me doing in the video, and I'll trim the edges of the pocket so that it aligns. So after trimming, I'll go ahead to place the pocket underneath my pant, making sure that the folded part is towards the crotch area. So you place your pant on it like this and arrange it. So when cutting out your pocket, make sure that the width of the pocket is not too wide and it doesn't get to the crotch area of the pant. So make sure it doesn't get to the center front, and the folded part of the pocket is the part that is close to the crotch area. So I'm just going to go ahead to arrange my pants on the pocket like you see me doing in the video. And after arranging it, I'll go ahead to trim the sides of the pocket so it aligns with what I have on the pants. Note that I'm trimming just the piece of fabric I have underneath the pant so it aligns with the side of the trouser I'm making. So after I'm done doing that, the next I'm going to go ahead to do now is to also trim the waist area like you see me doing in the video. Next, I'll take off my pant like this and I'll open up the pocket, and this time around you're going to place it in such a way that the good face of the pocket are facing each other. Then you go ahead to place the pant on it again, making sure that the sides are aligning. Once you're done arranging it properly, the next thing you want to do is to cut out the pocket opening we marked earlier on the pant. And note that you are doing this on both sides of the front of the pant because the pocket is going to be on both sides of the front. After cutting, this is what the pocket opening is going to look like. So when you fold your pocket into two, you're going to be having something like this. One part is going to be used to finish up the opening, while the other part is going to be visible when the pant is being worn. And when you fix the pocket, you'll be having something like this. So next, you're going to head over to the sewing machine to know how to sew this properly. So to attach your pocket to your pant, you're going to go ahead to take one of the pockets like this and place it on your pant, making sure that the good face are facing each other. The good face of your pocket should face the good face of your pants. Then you place the opening of the pockets with the opening of the pant together like you see me doing in the video. After doing that, I'll go ahead to close up the pocket opening and I'll be sewing using 0.5 inch. So after sewing it, this is what we have. I'm going to go ahead to create notches around the curve area like you see me doing in the video. And after creating the notch, I'll open the pocket up like this and I'll be top stitching on the pocket area. So you move your allowance to the pocket area like this. Then you're going to go ahead to run a top stitch on the pocket area like you see me doing in the video. So after top stitching it, this is what we have. So you're going to just go ahead to fold it over like this. You fold the pocket over to the wrong side and you should have something like this. Go ahead to give it a good press. Next, we're going to go ahead to turn the part over to the wrong side like this. After doing that, you're going to fold the pockets into two equal parts. Just go ahead to fold it like you see me doing in the video. After folding, make sure that the sides align and also the waistline of the pocket aligns with that of the pant. So this is what you should have after folding it over. So I'll just turn it over to the good face for you to see what it looks like. So your side and the waistline should align. The next thing I'm going to go ahead to do now is to stitch the waist area of the pocket. So I'm going to place this on my sewing machine and I'll run a stitch on the waist area of the pants. After sewing the waist area, the next thing you'll be doing is to close up the pocket opening, that is this lower part. So I'll just go ahead to place this on my sewing machine and I'll go ahead to close up the opening like you see me doing in the video. And once I'm done closing the opening, I'll go ahead to close up the sides of the pocket. So I'll be stitching this part of the pocket next and we are done with the fixing of the pocket. After sewing, this is what your pocket is going to look like. As you can see, it's very simple and it came out looking very neat. You can go ahead to try yours and let me know about the outcome in the comment section.